Hey guys, so it's almost that time of year again, the fall season, which is my absolute favorite season of the year, like hands down. And to celebrate the coming of the fall, I have a fall scented candle collection to review with you guys. So this company, Auelife, reached out to me. They work with Amazon, they sell their products through Amazon, and they asked to collab with me for their fall scented candles. And of course they said yes, because I live for candles and I live for the autumn and fall season. So I haven't smelled any of them yet. I haven't unboxed them or anything, so I'm gonna go through them with you guys and see how they smell. So this is the box right here. This is the company, Auelife, and it just says fall scented candle set. I love the box. It's so cute. It has like the fall decoration on it. And it comes with a thank you card, and it says, "We take pride in creating exquisite scents that transport you to a world of relaxation and tranquility." So let's check them out. I'm just gonna reach in and like just grab them randomly out of the set. So this one is pumpkin cake and is 100% soy wax hand poured candles infused with pumpkin, cloves, I love clove, vanilla, and butter cake. Oh, let me show you guys the container first. Let's try this out. That like literally smells like a pumpkin, like vanilla cake. Like you want to eat it. Like I like those candles that like, you smell them and you're just like, oh my God, now I'm hungry. Now I want like some snack or something sweet to eat. I use candles literally like constantly in my place. I have them all over my apartment. I'm just a huge candle person. I just like to have that like scent in your house that kind of like gives you the feel like you're in a different world, or like, I don't know if it's just me, but like I feel like candles just like can transport you like to a different type of mind frame. And definitely with the fall season coming up, autumn and Halloween, it's like you want this type of scent going on, and I always burn this type of scent in my place during the autumn season. So yeah, that's like wicked good. Next we have spiced pumpkin syrup, cinnamon pumpkin bay leaf candy. Ooh, bay leaf. You don't see that too much like in candles. Oh, and you can smell it too. Like you can really smell it. I actually really like that. I like this one more than that one so far. And they all have sort of the same type of script design on them. And they tell, like I said, they tell you what each of them smell like. That one smells really good. That one is gonna be placed in the family room for now, because I'm gonna start using it like literally right away. And it's a set of 4. I don't know if I said that earlier. This one's ginger and pumpkin. Ginger, pumpkin, agaste? What's that? And musk. I like musk. Agastache. I've never heard of that before. What is it? I've heard of agave. Ooh, that one is wicked good. You can really smell the ginger in this one. It's like lighter on the sweet smell. It's not really sweet smelling, but it just has like more of like, I guess like a spicy type of smell, and you can smell the added musk in there. Like I like that like the musky type stuff. I don't know, that's just me. I like the darker like scents. That's a good one. That one, I don't know if I can rank them yet. I have to smell them all, so we'll see. I was gonna say I like this one better than the last one, but I don't know, I'm not really sure. Then red apple and pumpkin. Red apple, cinnamon, pumpkin, and cloves. Again with the cloves, which is good because I like clove. This, like, I like keep going from one to the next and like, oh no, I like this one more than the last one. But it's like they're all different, so it's really hard to categorize them. Like this one you can really smell the red apple in it. And that's like one of my favorites. Like I like that scent and like that atmosphere. Like, when you go like apple picking in the fall time, like to the apple farm and stuff. Like I just really like that experience. I think it's really cool, and that kind of like makes you feel like you're in that like apple picking zone. That one's really nice. So I'm really pleasantly surprised by all these candles, because you know how sometimes you can get like the fall candles, like the pumpkin-y and like the sweet ones, and they just taste like, they smell like sickly sweet, and you're just like, ugh, it's kind of like a turn-off. Those don't smell like that. It's not overpowering by any means, and I like how they add like a darker scent like the clove and the musk to kind of like balance it out. I feel like that really makes a difference. So I don't know, out of all of them, I'm not really sure which is my favorite. I feel like, I don't know, maybe this, was it the ginger one that I liked? I don't know now. It's like so hard to choose because it's like they all smell so good, but it's like, I don't know. I don't know. That's the pumpkin cake again. Sorry, I'm like going through all these. Maybe this one, maybe the spiced pumpkin syrup, because it had like the bay leaf in it, and I just feel like it's really different, and I've never had that before in any candles that I've owned. So I'm just looking through their site now, and they actually have a whole bunch of candle scents on their page. If you go to like the Amazon and then their selling page, they have like a ton of stuff on there. So I'm definitely gonna check more of this stuff out. So it's like autumn breeze, harvest season. Oh my god, that sounds like something right up my alley. And then it looks like they have more like darker scents. Cinnamon apple, cedar, ooh, pine and clove. Oh my god, patchouli and amber. I love patchouli. So they have like a ton of stuff. But yeah, this fall scent right now is on promotion because, you know, it is the fall season coming up, okay? Because I can't wait, so I'm just gonna say it's the fall season. So if you guys want to check these out for yourself, I would highly recommend them. If you're into candles and you're into the fall season, and if you like that like sweeter type of smell, like pumpkin spice type candles, I will put all their information linked down below so you guys can check them out for yourselves. And I really appreciate them reaching out to me to do this collaboration. I love the candles, and like I said, I'm definitely going to put them out ASAP and start using them. So if you haven't already, please think about subscribing to my channel. I'd love to have you guys here. Thank you so much for your continued support. Hit the thumbs up button if you like this video, and until next time, stay dark, my friends, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.